Hello everyone. Today we learn about spectral series of hydrogen atom. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Spectral series of hydrogen atom. Whenever an electron in a hydrogen atom jumps from higher energy level to the lower energy level, the difference in energy of two levels is emitted as a radiation of particular wavelength. It is called as spectral line. As the wavelength of spectral line depends upon the two orders of energy levels between which the transition of electron takes place, various spectral lines are obtained. The different wavelengths constitute spectrum series, which are the characteristic of the atom emitting them. The following are the spectral lines of hydrogen atom. Let us see about Lyman series. When the electron jumps from any of outer orbits of the first orbit, the spectral lines emitted are in the ultraviolet region of the spectrum, and they are said to form a series called as Lyman series, that is second orbit to first orbit, third orbit to first orbit, fourth orbit to first orbit, fifth orbit to first orbit, sixth orbit to first orbit, seventh orbit to first orbit. Here n1 is equals to 1 and 2 is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. On the wave number of Lyman series is given by n nu bar is equal to r into 1 minus by n2 square. Let us know about the Balmer series. When the electron jumps from any of the outer orbits to the second orbits, we get spectral lines called as the Balmer series. All the lines of this series in hydrogen have their wavelength in the visible form. Here n1 is equal to 2 and 2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and so on. The wave number of the Balmer series is n nu bar is equal to r into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n2 square is equal to r into 1 by 4 minus 1 by n2 square. The first line in this series n2 is equal to 3 is called as H hydrogen alpha line. The second n2 is equal to 4, the H beta line, and so on. What are passed in series. This series consists of all wavelengths which are emitted when the electron jump from outermost orbit to the third orbit. Here n2 is equals to 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. n1 is equal to 3. This series is in the infrared region with the wave number given by n nu bar is equal to r into 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n2 square, that is equal to r into 1 by 9 minus 1 by n2 square. Let us see about bracket series. The series obtained by the transition of electron from 5th orbit to 4th orbit, 6th orbit to 4th orbit, 7th orbit to 4th orbit is called as bracket series. The wavelength of these lines are in the infrared region. The wave number is n u bar is equal to r into 1 by 4 square minus 1 by n2 square, that is equal to r minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by n2 square. What are p fund series? The lines of this series are obtained when the electron jumps from 6th orbit to 5th orbit, 7th orbit to 5th orbit. This series also lies in the infrared reason the wave number is n nu bar is equal to r into 1 by phi square minus 1 by n2 square, that is equal to r into 1 by 25 minus 1 by n2 square.